In this video, I will show you how to download Zoom on Mac. And if you find this video helpful, please do not forget to like and subscribe. Now, the first thing I'd like you to do is go to zoom.com. And once you're in Zoom, what you're going to do is you're going to scroll to the bottom of the page. And where you see the header that says download, you're going to click on uh, Zoom Workspace right under it. Now it's going to lead you to a download center, and automatically it's going to be able to recognize the operating system you're using. But you're going to have to choose if you have an Apple Silicon chip or an Intel chip. I have the Apple Silicon chip, so I'm going to click download Apple Silicon, and it's downloading. And once it's done downloading, we're going to click on this arrow here, and it's going to open up an installer for us. We're going to click on continue. How do we want to install the computer? We're going to install for all users of this computer, and it's going to start installing. As soon as it's done, we're going to close, and we're going to move to trash. Now it's going to ask us to allow Zoom to find devices on our network. We're going to click on allow, and it's going to load up the Zoom application for us to sign in and access the Zoom app on our Mac. And that's how to download Zoom on Mac. If you find this video helpful, please do not forget to like and subscribe. Until the next one, see ya.